Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and today I'm going to be making Hasselback potatoes, and these are going to be oil-free. So let's get started. Since we're not using oil in this recipe, our substitute is going to be vegetable broth thickened with some cornstarch. I found this recipe from a YouTube channel called Cooking with Plants, and I'll link her information below. And I really liked it because it was a no oil recipe. All the other ones had oil in them, so I try to avoid oil. So on the stove I've got my 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and my vegetable broth just kind of heating up here, and we'll keep an eye on that as we continue on. Now Hasselback potatoes are potatoes that you slice very thinly, not all the way through. They kind of fan out, and you can stuff them with different things. We're going to add garlic to this, and then we're going to have some spices on top. So what I've seen on the internet is to slice these, you're just going to position them between 2 wooden spoons, and then you're able to slice them and not worry about going all the way through. So we're just going to start, and you want to try to slice them as thin as possible. You want to slice down about 3/4 of the way through the potato. So the potatoes are all sliced, and I've sliced some garlic very thin, and I'm going to put these in between. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Alright, I've got my potatoes all sliced. I've got the garlic in between. I didn't do every single slice, but almost every slice. And these are organic potatoes, so I feel comfortable leaving the skin on. If you have non-organic, you might want to peel them. So I'm just going to use a little brush here and coat these with my vegetable broth mixture. And you want to do a fairly good amount. Get it all coated. And we're going to baste these a couple times during the cooking process. Want to make sure it goes down each little slice. Alright, so to this we're going to add some Himalayan sea salt. A little sprinkling of that. Getting messy with my salt here. And even though we have garlic in there, I just want to do a little sprinkling on top. This is granulated garlic. And then, of course, my all-time favorite, smoked paprika. I think I put that on everything. I love it. And this will help it look nice and golden too. I like the color it gives food. And then maybe just a teeny bit of pepper. If you want to put spices on something very lightly, just hold it up high and it works better. You get a nice little dusting. Alright, I have my lined baking sheet. I'm going to place these on here, and I'm going to put these in the oven, 400 degrees, for 30 minutes to start. So the first 30 minutes are done. Now we're going to baste. And then we'll put these back in for another 15 minutes. Okay, last basting, another 15 minutes, and then we're done. They're done. They look beautiful. Look at that. Crispy. I topped it with a little cashew cream and some parsley. So let's give it a try. Oh, these look fantastic. Give a little of that cashew cream. That was a big bite. Those came out so good. And it wasn't that hard. Totally vegan, gluten-free. Really good. Yeah, that vegetable broth, that worked great instead of oil. So it's possible. So nice healthy potato dish that will impress everyone with all the nice little fans in there. Very cute. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.